In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reorganize your home screen for your Google Classrooms. This is especially beneficial when you have a new semester that starts and you have new classes that have been generated, and they may not be in the order that you need them to be in. This will also benefit you, and you can show your students how to do this so that they can put things in order. So I am directly on the home screen of Google Classroom. Um, I'm just going to hover my mouse over one of the classroom tiles and then left click, drag, and then I can pull and reorganize my Google Classrooms wherever I'd like for them to go. Hope this helps. This will also organize the classes in the same way, in the same order in your drop down menu here. So if you want your homeroom class first, move it to the first tile that's listed. If you want first period, second period, third period, then you'll just arrange them that way. All right, thanks. Have a great day.